I wonder what I should search for today. What's Beetlejuice? That sounds cool. Beetlejuice star explosion? What do you mean by... Huh? Beetlejuice is finally... Explosion is finally happening now? What? Huh? Huh? Hold on. Oh, wait. Is it happening 3 times? Let me look at the live chat. Actually, it will explode into the next 6 to 34 months. Hold on. Is this just a completely fake? What else is there? Okay. Soon. When you say soon, it's probably gonna happen in a very long time. Between the next week, the next 100,000 years. It could be soon, but no, it's probably not.